So for our fresh fish pepper soup, I'm going to be using catfish. And this pepper soup is very easy and straight to the point. Keep watching. I'll be in the interactive group as usual if you have any questions. So first we're going to put in our catfish. As I said, very simple and straightforward. I'm using one full catfish for this. So once I put this in, I'm going to blend green rodo, red rodo, and some onions. You can choose to add garlic or ginger if you wish, but I was trying to keep this as simple as possible because the person I was going to eat this pepper soup does not like any extra flavors. So after that, we're going to add our seasoning, some water, some pepper soup spice. I bought pepper soup spice from the market. I didn't make. So your fresh pepper and onions, some pepper soup spice, your seasoning, and you need to keep checking to make sure your seasoning is okay. But don't disturb the fish. Me, I'm very aggressive when I'm mixing stuff. I have to remind myself it's fish. So please don't disturb the fish. Once your fish starts to separate from the bone, you know that your pepper soup is ready. That's how you know your fish has cooked through. Then you can add any leaves of your choice. You can add scent leaf, you can add curry leaf. You can even add uziza if you like the taste that much. So that's about it. Our pepper soup is ready. You can serve this with rice, you can serve this alone, you can even add boiled yam inside, you can add plantains. So many ways to enjoy it.